So we have come canyoneering in Moalboal, and to get there it's like a 45-minute walk, or there was like, it's a zip line, so obviously first order of business, zip line into the canyoneering. I'm so excited for this, honestly. I wanted to do this canyoneering for so long, so yeah, here we go.
1, 2, 3. What's her name?
Alex.
Back off. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
2, 1. Fire!
Oh my god! We're coming in hot. We're coming in fast. Oh. Good morning. Hey, perfect. Cheers, brother.
Thank you.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh my god, that was sick.
That was amazing.
Cheers, guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
This is going to be so much fun. I'm so excited, honestly. We've been talking about doing this for ages. Like, this was like one for the bucket list. Hello. Hi, mate. You all right? Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
What a
Good
perfect
vibes
day.
all round. First jump of the day.
Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Woo! Jump! Yeah! Yes, Meg! Woohoo!
I've never jumped back in my life.
Jasper saving Meg's boat. He's working for that tip. Hey, okay. Okay. This is so funny. This is so much fun. Oh, this is class. Oh. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Honestly, how is this place even real? Genuinely, look at it. That is insane. Insane.
Human train.
Human train.
Vegan.
Oh, your boat.
Pulling me down now.
West Virginia. Just fall back, yeah?
Yeah. Fall back.
So much fun. Probably the best activity I've ever done. This is unbelievable, honestly. Oh, all this cost. Oh, actually, how much do you think it cost? I'll say at the end. It was transfers, food, and this activity. All right. What do you think? Huh? Yeah. What a day. What a day.
What, look how peaceful it is. Sun's shining, water's blue. What more do you want?
Fucking best day ever.
Take your body, my friend.
Bye. I've joined the guide. I can't stop. So I recommend if you are in Moalboal and you come do this trip to definitely come early. We come at like 7 in the morning because this is how busy it is now at certain parts, but apparently if you're like midday it's just carnage, so I would definitely keep that in mind.
Ready?
Whoa.
This, fire!
Sick. That was so cool. That was class. This is absolute crazy. So we're literally in the middle of nowhere, as you can see here. And then they've got all a full shop.
Okay.
So,
What did you hit that?
oh yeah, I hit my arm on the rock.
Oh, God.
Just up there. It's okay. Yeah, so there's like a full just shop.
Want some barbecue? No, you want barbecue first?
I'll have barbecue chicken. Yes, please. Just one, please. And a water. And 2 water as well, please.
2 water?
Yes, please. Where else? I don't know how often this fridge has been stored. Thank you. Oh, is that what I'm having?
Hang on. Yeah,
Just that one, please. Thank you.
Only chicken? Only one chicken?
Only one chicken, yes, please. What sauce do you have?
Barbecue sauce on the side.
Yeah, barbecue sauce, please. How cool is that? Honestly, look at this in the middle of nowhere. Enjoying? Yeah. Having fun? This is our guy.
Okay.
The best guy. You should see him with his camera. He's like a wizard. Non-stop. Are you the vlogger? Yeah. You're the vlogger. Yeah. So this next jump we're doing is the biggest one. I think it's 8 meters. Or what did you say the biggest one was? 9?
10. But the 10 is not open.
But this one,
It's not keeping up.
that's it. Yeah, there was a typhoon like a few weeks ago. It's okay, yeah. It's a scratch. It's okay. Thank you. Yeah, there was a typhoon like a few weeks ago, so one of the things has been washed away or something. So
Washed away.
but I don't know. How else do you describe it? I don't know.
It's not, the water's just lower.
And as well, because of all these like food and snacks and stuff, obviously you don't have your wallet. The guy just remembers how much you owe, and you just pay him at the end or something. I don't know.
Maybe, yeah. But how do they bring all this stuff here?
I don't know. I'm thinking about this. My chicken. I've just ordered chicken,
Yeah.
right? And it definitely hasn't been kept in the fridge, is it? It has definitely not been stored at below room temperature. It's 7:10 in the morning and it's a shack. So if I get squirt ass, we know. If I get squirt ass, we know exactly where it's come from. But to be fair, she's fanning it down. So I mean, it's basically the E. coli's gone from it anyway. Thank you. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Thank you very much. Cheers. Right, so this is Shack.
7-Eleven.
Oh, there's a long hair in it. We'll put that one to the side.
Music.
I'll tell you what, that is absolutely delicious. That is, honest to God, that's amazing. I have no idea how much it costs,
It's probably like 10p or something.
So this whole trip was £22 per person for transfer, food, and the activity.
No, and the zip line.
Oh, and the zip line was like an extra 10 or so.
Oh. But we have to do the zip line because that was just amazing.
This is fucking sick. I wasn't even hungry, but like when I see shack meat, you know I have
When Alex sees anything on a stick, he's like, yeah, give me some of that.
So this is the highest jump, 7 metres. Meg's going first. It's actually fucking pretty high to be fair. Ready?
Let's jump in the middle, okay?
Yeah, no problem. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I just batted right there. I can go up and down there. Sure.
Go out.
Next stop is 7-Eleven. I have no idea what they have in store for us, but I can't wait to find out. I want to do this again. I would do this again and again and again and again. We finished the canyoneering and now it's like an hour walk back or something. So we stopped off, we took 7-Eleven. So we've got a first Filipino beer, which is just a San Miguel Pale Pilsons. But yeah, cheers, first beer of the whole day. And it's nice, just tastes like a holiday beer. Good vibes all around. It must do. How is this just in the middle, like literally in the middle of the jungle? I can't even. There's nothing.
I think that's because of my person over here.
I'll play. Ready? Let's go, Alex. Flip. Good. That one. Get ready. 3, 2, go. Flip. Play.
Honestly, I cannot believe how beautiful this place is. I'm actually speechless. The guides have been so nice. Food, like everything's been fucking so sick. Oh, couldn't recommend this place enough.
Meters. Once the typhoon happened, there.
Yeah.
12 and 15 there, jumping area.
That's where the jumps used to be.
2021.
Wow.
There's a typhoon here.
It looks fake. It looks like a fake water park almost like. Reggie, man. Hey, ho.
That is.
Size on that. Little bastard.
That's huge.
Is he poisonous? I don't know if the camera's picking it up. He's massive. Is that poisonous?
Maybe.
Maybe. Do you want to find out? Become Spider-Man.
Yeah. God, that name seems crazy like
No,
that.
I'm not. Philippine taxi. Philippine Lamborghini.